Booking hotel rooms for your travelling crew and staff with down route really couldn't be easier. In this demo, we'll look at how your staff can set up trips and then book hotel rooms using the web-based part of the application. Because down route allows you to record expenses against each leg of a trip, the trip needs a reference number, which we call the itinerary, and this can be anything you like. For this demo, we'll keep it simple and set up one person travelling to one destination and staying one night in a hotel, just so you get the idea. So, type in the itinerary reference and from the drop-down menu, choose which crew you want to add to this trip. Even though we're only setting up a single leg, it is easy to keep track of all your information if you use the multi-sector feature, so we recommend you always do this. Once you select this option, you'll see the screen now has 4 sections. First, the sectors. This is where you put in the departure and arrival airfields and the dates. Second, the bookings. This is where you access the hotels module. And underneath, you have the sections where you'll see the expenses and hotel booking information as these are added to the trip. For now, we'll simply create one sector and book a single room to show you how it works. Add in the departure and arrival details. And at the bottom, for the accommodation option, you can toggle between yes and no. This is because you may have sectors that you only want to log expenses against, rather than booking hotel rooms. We'll select yes and move across to the bookings window. To select the name of the crew member you want to book a room for, you'll be able to choose from the crew and staff members you allocated to the trip when you set up the itinerary. The notes field lets you add any comments to the booking. Click on Save Changes and save the trip so far. You see the options now change for you to add further sectors and booking if you wanted to. So, to make the hotel booking, simply click on the button, and this takes you to the hotel search page. Here, you can begin refining your search. If your company has already set some rules, such as the maximum rates allowed for a room, these will appear in the search boxes. You also have the option to override any company rules, provided the permissions have been set to allow you to do that. Once you've set your search options, simply click on the search button. You'll then see the results in the same way you're used to seeing them on other hotel booking websites. A further set of options also appear to the right, so you can get even better results for the type of rooms you need. To see the full details of each hotel and room, simply select those you're interested in and review the details. Once you see the room you want, click on the Book Now button and select your room. You then make your payment the normal way and you'll be taken to the booking details screen. Once your payment has been accepted, you can review your details, and if you change your mind, remove the booking. Do pay attention to the messages on the screen, as you may have selected a non-refundable room. In this case, you can cancel the booking, but you won't get your money back. So make sure you check this before you make your booking. It can take up to 2 hours before the booking is confirmed by the hotel, and once this is done, the message here turns to green to show the booking is complete. At this point, a notification will be sent to the down route mobile app of that person, letting them know a room has been booked for them, along with all the details of the hotel. This has completed this booking. Now you can go back to review the trip details by clicking on the trips icon on the left and selecting the same itinerary. Click on the multi-sector button again and you'll be taken back to the trip details. You can now see the booking has been added for this trip and that it is ready to start accepting expenses information.